Hello everybody, my name is Boghosian, I'm an attorney, and next to me is sitting my old friend, Mr. Alexander Morales, who is also an attorney. Mr. Morales, how are you today?
I'm doing very well this morning. I don't like being called an old friend though.
I'm a young person that has been my friend for a long time.
There you go.
That's what you have to excuse my English. I'm waiting for the reform too. Let's talk about the reform. I know that you do practice immigration extensively. And in what city is your office located at?
My office is located in Downey, California.
Can you give us an address, telephone number?
Sure, it's 11015 Paramount Boulevard, Suite 8, Downey, California, 90241.
And what's the telephone number?
Telephone number is 562-861-2500.
Thank you. And everybody's waiting for something that some people called a referendum, immigration referendum, amnesty, the new path to citizenship. What are your hopes? You think it's we're gonna get anything done? Any law is gonna pass that is gonna help us, the immigrants?
Well, it's really hard to say right now. I mean, I've been listening to the debates in the Senate. There's a lot of differences of opinion between the Republicans and the Democrats. So it's really hard to say whether anything will actually pass. Obviously there's differences also in the House of Representatives, and so really don't know. I'd like to be optimistic because a lot of people would benefit from having a reform or a change in the immigration law, but obviously it's a long way.
All right. So what would be if you were to give one advice to people who are hoping or people who have no immigration status, what would be the one advice you could give them that they could use today?
Stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble. Don't get into any trouble right now. Also, don't fall. Well, second piece of advice would be don't fall prey to the people that are advertising or that are saying that a law has passed. That's quite dangerous. Nothing has passed yet, and we don't know when it will pass or what it will look like. So I think people should wait.
So basically, if I was to rephrase what you just said, is that don't get into trouble, meaning don't break the law. You don't want to get arrested. You don't want to be charged. You don't want to create criminal record for yourself. And the second part is don't pay people for something that hasn't happened yet. Don't go hire an attorney or a notario or anyone who would promise you immigration status based on the new law, because there is no new law at the present time. Am I right?
That's correct.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Morales.
Thank you.